Hi, hello, my name is Vincent7, and today we're going to be playing PC Building Simulator because I'm building a PC, which will be another video. So if you're interested in building PCs, I'm going to try to build one. So, yeah. So today, I have no idea, I've never played this game. We're going to go with career, new game. We have no DLC. A friend of mine bought this for my birthday. He said, here's a game. I don't know if it's any good, but it'll help you learn to build a PC. So we're just going to get right into it. We're not going to be comedic about anything. We're going to see if I can build a freaking PC. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's the first PC I'm ever building, so I'm really nervous. I just bought all the parts. So we'll talk about the PC build over time, or if you see the new video, you'll see it. Usually I don't work. How can you end your day and advance into tomorrow? Any day. Right click, no active jobs, but normally it's worth checking your ordered. Okay, I don't want to advance yet. So I guess I can fix computers. What is that sound? Where is that coming from? So there is a bunch of parts around here, so that's good. Okay, so I have some thermal paste, which I really do have some thermal paste. The thermal paste I got in front of me in real life is Arctic Silver, so I hope it's good. Like I said, this is the first time I'm ever doing it, but I did buy a AIO, which is a water cooling system. And what do I need me to do? Because there's a monitor here and a keyboard, probably to test. Okay. Okay, so that's buying stuff. Let's get an idea. Let's see if the case I have is in this game. And if it is, I might just say screw. No, I don't look like it is. So the case I'm getting is a Corsair 580, 570X, whatever it's called. It's the bigger version of it. Let's see, does it have my CPU? Probably not. Intel, nah. Is that because it says Skylake? So in my newest build, I have an i7 or 10700K. So it's the newest stuff. I got a Z490 Gaming E motherboard from Asus. Yeah, I got parts on the way, so don't have them yet. Let's see. It looks like I don't recognize any of this stuff, but that might be because I might be only able to buy certain things. Okay, here's some graphics cards. Let's see, they got a 1050. That's cool. 960. I got 980 in my rig right now. 1050, 1050. Okay, so it seems like maybe you have to unlock better stuff. So they're stopping you from building the best stuff right away, which kind of sucks because it doesn't make any sense. You should be able to buy the best stuff right away. Okay, let's get out of this. Let's get a job. Email. Hey, thanks for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry it's not a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well, and there's no money in the bank account. The rent energy bill come out monthly, so make sure you have enough money for them. I had a job to go, which should help with the rent. See the email below. Remember to use your thermal paste when putting it on a CPU. I almost forgot. PCs overheat. So I think you... yeah, I had to borrow $15 for fuel. Okay. Then, hi, can you help me? My computer's been running slower than usual. I think I might have clicked on something I shouldn't have. Do I have a virus? Objective, move virus. Go to PC. Oh, this is it? Okay. PC can boot to operating system and remove... Okay, so it doesn't boot. Or does it? Okay, so we're going to take this back right here. Okay, so this is PC. So what is he working with? Click to work on this PC. For this, you need to run a virus scan. Press 3 or the cable button to plug the monitor and keyboard in. Okay, so we're going through a little bit of a tutorial, I guess. Okay, wait a second. Right there. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, so this is a little better than I thought it was going to be. All it wants me to do... Give me this. Put it into the power supply. Okay, I was looking at the wrong cable altogether. That looks like maybe a Type-C. What is that, an HDMI? I can't really tell. Yeah, it's an HDMI. Okay, so we're going to plug into a 750 Ti. That's cool. USB. Yeah, just put it in the USB motherboard slots. Man, these cables are stretching. We're going to plug everything in. Insert the USB drive. Now you need to put your USB drive in the back of the PC so you can install the virus scanner. That's weird, but okay. Shouldn't we boot it up and see if it even boots? Because it might not have nothing to do with viruses. So it's booting. Ooh. Okay, welcome to Mega OS, operating system of choice. Click right to remove the install the virus scanner. So it's a program. All right, whatever. Looks like I need to get the USB first. But I booted the computer, so that's good. Install USB drive. I'm trying to make this as seamless as possible because I know how annoying it can be. They'd be like, what is this guy doing? Okay, so now we got USB, select wallpaper, virus scanner. It says I'm negative $15. Nice. Nice, nice. You must restart your computer for your changes to take effect. Sure. Man, that was loud. Whew. Couldn't believe that. Okay, hold delete to enter BIOS. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that. We got virus scanner installed. Start scanning. Warning, files found. Clean files. 532 files? No, it took 1 second. That's pretty quick, PC. You removed all the viruses. The PC is ready to be returned to the client. So it looks like we won't have to do any hardcore diag on a computer. We're just going to do, like, maybe putting parts in, loading BIOS, place in delivery area. So ready to boot. It's all good. That was dumb. Power off. Should have powered it off through there, but that's okay. So if I hit 3, it'll do it all for me. Oh, no. That changes how I'm doing it. All right. How do I get this all out? Or WSD to pancake. Okay, no. So, remove. There we go. I could take this computer completely apart and then give it back to him and be like, I just don't know what's wrong with it. But for the sanity of my brain, because I want to practice actually working on a computer. No, oops. For the sanity of my brain, because I want to be able to put everything together, I've been watching videos on videos on videos. Okay, I didn't read what that said. What does this say? Pick up. Okay, it's at the end of the day, someone will come pick it up. So you get your headset. All right. All right, so I think that's it. Let's go, because is there anything else? Level 3, level 8, level 5. This is just test stuff, it seems like. Oh, I can buy stuff. Oh, I can sell this for $290. Hopefully it's got more stuff than this. Let's skip to the next day, because I can always do bad. It's not like I'm really doing bad. Oh, but I had to pay a utility bill by the 3rd. All right. We'll skip a day. See, did I make any money? Did I make any money? Oh, collect payment from email. Oops. I should have. Sorry about that, boss. I could have had it back to you a day early. All right. Hope you can tell me my computer's been running. Is this the same thing? Discard. Nope. No more jobs. Really? None? So that's gone? Yep. Okay. It doesn't look good. Looks like we're in trouble. Probably should turn the computer off, but you know, I don't need that on. That's what I was hearing, man. That's a noisy thing. Like, can we turn those fans down? Like, my computer fans, and this is like a 10-year-old computer, ain't close to that loud. Fuel is law. I'm just kind of curious. Like, I'm using a brand new setup. I'm getting it ready from a new computer. I'm gonna start recording more often. I think I screwed up. Wait, no. Okay, we're good. It was the first, the second, in day, I guess. Come on, give me some work, bruh. Give me some stuff. I want to like fix some stuff. Tim's Red Hot Repairs. Tim's Red Hot Repairs. Okay. I made $85. All right, I just want to say thank you for fixing my booting faster than it has in years. Really, that shouldn't fix anything, but okay. More space on my computer. I need some more space to back up my files. Can you install a 500 hard drive, please? I'll bring it around first thing. Budget. Labor. Also, they're going to give me money, and then I can Okay. So we're adding a 500 hard drive. What did he say he was bringing that? Oh, man. I didn't pay attention like what time. I could pay my bills. Let's see. Broken graphics card. My graphics card has fried itself. I need it to be replaced with the same one, please. An NVIDIA drives, NVIDIA 970, maybe one of those Sheen ones. I can drop it off around. Wow, budget's $265 in labor. Does that mean I make 200? Or does that mean he's paying? Okay, so they're on their way. And then help. Hi there. I just want to thank you for fixing my. No. Could you look at my PC, please? It isn't running as well as it did when I first bought it, and I probably haven't been taking the best care of it. It looks a bit dirty. Could you give me a once over, please? Sure. Clean the dust out. Yeah, that doesn't sound too bad. I wish this was my real job. I would love doing this. It just seems like a really fun job, but I'm sure when it starts getting hard, like when you like have a problem with one of your components and you gotta start taking things apart and rebuilding them like a million times to figure out what's working and what's not. That's what probably makes the job suck. Oh, snap, it scared the crap out of me. So these 3 computers are popping up. So, okay, this is kind of fun. Who would have knew building computers would have been so much fun? Okay, let's see. So we got G. Walters. I want to do this one first because I want to put a hard drive in it. I just put a hard drive in my old computer. So I bought a computer a long time ago, and this is the one I've been using for filming and recording. And I'm building a new one here soon because I wanted to, you know, it's the first time I've bought a computer for myself because my parents had helped me previously pay for one. I'd gave them money monthly and they just helped me out, so I got lucky. But they had a new case and I'm building it piece by piece. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm noticing his hard drives look like they're down there. Yeah, okay, so there was no reason to take this off. So, can I give him back his, fits on this PC. Can I give him back his stuff? Oops. You might not be getting this back. No, what did I do? Okay, so this is how my computer is going to be. It's going to have the hard drives on the back, like just like this. So it kind of works out. Okay, we're just doing one. We gotta plug it in too. So. Oh wait. Oh, he wanted a HDD. He didn't want to. How do I put stuff back on? PC parts. Oh, here we go. Okay. PCI cover. I'm not sure where I got that from. We're gonna put that back. Put it back in because we should always return customers' parts. He wants a new SSD. Okay, or not SSD. He wants an HDD. Open drive bay. Let's see what we can buy. I think I have to order it. Oh man, I could have ordered the parts and they could have been here next day. Maybe they'll be instant. Storage. He said he wanted 500 and his budget was, I don't remember his budget, but I'm sure it wasn't more. Sheen, he wanted a Sheen, but I don't think he was in budget. I don't have $110. He didn't even give me. There's not even a Sheen 500. What am I supposed to do? He said HDD, but those are SSDs. He wants one of these. It's the only one that's 500, so that's what you're getting for 50 bucks. I'm sure you didn't give me enough money. I think. Your delivery options. So next day delivery, that's too expensive. Oh man, they really got me. It didn't even cost us much to deliver my parts. My parts were mostly free. Probably because I ordered them like when no one was buying parts, so I don't know. Sucks. Cost me a bunch of money. Alright, so Sheen's computer. Parts are not coming till the next day, just to make sure. I'm gonna go check that. Oh my god. I can't do that. $500? That's the day of the bill. He won't even get it back. Okay, well that's no good. Remove virus and dust clean. We can do that. That'll be a quick, easy one. Oh, crap. Sheen. Sheen! Pull your parts back on, because I'm not really wanting to keep your stuff, bud. He didn't give me no money either. I don't have the money to be like, just like, oh, hey, you know, I'll pay for all this. Okay, so we're going to clean this one out. This is kind of like how mine is. It's got the 2 screws in the back, and then you slide the plate. And then we're going to clean it first. There we go. I was wondering, I was like, how much freaking dust cleaner do I need? Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're getting there. I probably could take off this front panel. Yeah, I should take off these panels right here so I can get everything. I'm not sure how to get this off. There's a dust filter, but I don't know if I really need to... Oh, I did 100% need to clean that out. Is there any more dust filters? Normally there's... Yep, dust filter. Making sure I get everything. Normally you can take out the front though. You normally pull at the bottom. I don't know. Oh, but the clean out dust is good. Okay, let's just install the parts back so I don't waste time.